guys, the next day, 24 hours later, or almost. This is how the light looks now. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. So I'm quite happy with the kit, it seems to work. Alright guys, this is my 2006 BMW radio. Unfortunately, when I bought it, the LCD screen was broken. So I found a replacement. I'm going to replace it with a 2009-2010 LCI radio, which has got much more functions. It's got USB capable, all that type of thing, and it can give you fault codes on the car. As well as I got a wire harness for Bluetooth hands-free kit, so you don't have to use your phone. So the plan of action is to take this out today and replace this. Maybe if we have enough time, we'll do the wireless Bluetooth. And that door over there, switch is faulty. I have got a replacement for that as well. And if there's time, we're gonna do that as well. So right, let's get to it. Alright, surprise, surprise. It's not one of these hex tools. All the videos I've seen shows that they use one of these to take it out. South Africa, it's got star there. And there we go. That's how it looks. But dirty. Alright. Let's have a look here. Alright guys, I just wanted to check out if this Bluetooth device that I got for free worked. Unfortunately it doesn't work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug the radio directly in, and then we're gonna skip the Bluetooth device. I'm just gonna plug the radio in. It's got a clip there that you just press and then you pull back, and it just goes directly in there. and then you close it. I must still connect the aerial, but there you go, it turns on. Unfortunately, there's a disc stuck in here, so there's something wrong inside here, but everything else works. So we've got CD, auxiliary. If you go to CD, you'll hear there's a CD stuck inside there. Unfortunately, I don't know how to get that unstuck, but the other stuff works as far as I know. I'm just going to plug the aerial in. If I can find the aerial. Where's the aerial gone now? Oh, there it is. Why is the wire so short? Alright, here we go. If you look here, there's a small tab there that you just press in to pull it out. So you just press in there and pull. And then just reverse to get it in. Alright, I'm just gonna put it in there now. And then we quickly check if the radio works. Alright, so the radio works. All the channels, everything works. We can go to all the other stuff. I'm not going to plug auxiliary or anything in now. So at least this screen works. It's got both its buttons and it's got a lot of extra options on here. I'm not quite sure how to work those extra options, but at least the radio works. So now it's the reverse of what we did. Just plug back everything again. Everything I've already put back there, so I'm just going to slide it back in. Just feed the wire. Okay, why doesn't it want to go in now? And there we go. And there we got an LCI radio inside. These plugs as well. If you close it like that, if you open it all the way like that, you just put it back in there and it clips in there. You'll see it's got a press thingy there. I don't know if you can see. All you do is you press there and you move this that way. And as you move this, it pulls it out automatically on behind of the air conditioning and fan thingy. Alright, so I'm just going to put everything back. You'll see one is grey and one is black, so you can't get confused which way around it goes. And it can only go in one way as well, so just check here. Must go that way. Press it in deep. There we go. Must press it in deep. It's my first time doing this, so we learn as we go. Alright, and then I must still put those screws back. Get the screwdriver, take the screws. And there we go. We installed the LCI radio into a 2006 car, and it looks like everything works. I'll see if I can get some music that's not restricted, and then you can hear how it sounds. Copyrighted music, so we can just show you. This is the first time I can actually see on the screen since I had the car, so I'm very happy about that. Luckily everything works. Got other things here. Like I said, mine has never worked, so I didn't know what was what. So I'll figure this out, and we can maybe make a movie about what all the functions are about it. But like I said, I don't know what it is. But I'm extremely happy that it works. Right guys, I think we're going to move on and quickly do that switch. Thanks for watching. I hope if there's any of you that want to change your radio, that you learned something, or it's actually quite easy. It's just a pry tool here, get it out, 2 screws and the radio pulls out, and then there's a couple of plugs. Real easy to do. Alright, I'm just going to get a screwdriver and then we sort that light out. Alright guys, this is the switch I want to replace here. As you can see, it's totally loose. It still works, but it's totally loose. I've got a replacement, and the replacement is 100%. So what I'm going to do, I just look at how the tabs work. This tab here is quite flat. You're supposed to use a pry tool, or whatever they call it, and you just lift it up, and then when you get to the tab, you just press the tab in and it should come out. Okay, let me just put this down. Go to the other side, and there we go. And it's just got a simple pull out plug, and that's how it looks. Take this one, replace it with the other one. There's only one way it can go in, so you can't do it wrong. And before we put it in, okay, let me just put the key in. It works. And we just put it back in. Clips. And there we go. Switch all done. Alright.